Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create drawings on the Google Keep application, meaning that these are not the kind of drawings that you add to your notes on this app, but these are individual images that you can create on a blank page. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on this paint icon down below, which is the second option. As you can see, there's a blank page here, and you can select from 3 tools that you can work with, such as a pen, a marker, and a highlighter. If you would like to change the color of any of these, just simply do a double tap on the relevant tool that you are using, and now you can select from a vast variety of colors of your preference, and you can choose the size of your tool, and then you are ready to create your drawing. If you are done with it, you can go back to the previous page, thereby saving your drawing. But if you feel like to do so, you can also correct it by tapping on this button, and then you can make it disappear, and you can also do or have a clear page by tapping on the clear page icon down below. If you tap on this 3 dots icon, you can either send your drawing via email, messenger, or other social networking sites, or you can also delete it by tapping on the bin icon. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.